Hola amigos and welcome to La Clase de Español. We're helping you get the best out of Duolingo y la clase de hoy is 2.8, talk about office work. Comenzamos con el vocabulario. Es muy importante estudiar el vocabulario y aprender el vocabulario. If it's not in your head, it can't come out of your mouth. So it has to get into your head. El vocabulario sobre la oficina will start with el escritorio. You might know that escribir is to write. So un escritorio is the place where you might sit and write. En la computadora o con un bolígrafo y papel. La computadora, el papel, el bolígrafo en el escritorio. Next word is los mensajes. Los mensajes y las cartas. These are things that you read. Mensaje is a message. It's easy. Mensaje. You can say it. And it's a little bit messagey, so we've got a semicognate there. La carta is the letter. El correo electrónico is the email, or you might just hear email, where we're using an English word en español. En España, they shun anglicisms much more than they do in America Latina. So en España, we're going to use el correo electrónico. Next, we have el negocio. El negocio, where you negotiate, it's your business. You might also hear la empresa. So el negocio or la empresa are both words for business. El empresario is a businessman. Another word that you might need is el trabajo. El trabajo is the work. El empleo is the work, the job, the employment, the post. El trabajo. Tengo mucho trabajo. I have a lot of work. So work, trabajo, una palabra muy importante. You have to learn it. Then we have la oficina. That's an easy one. It's a strong cognate. La oficina. I have to go to the office. Tengo que irme a la oficina. And la fábrica. That's where they fabricate everything. That sounds like you're making a lie, doesn't it? A fabrication is a lie. But una fábrica in español is a factory, and it's where things are made. Finalmente, we're going to go with aquí y ahora. These are both words that come up in Duolingo 2.8. Aquí means here. Look, the QU. Aquí, it makes a k sound. Aquí. Ahora, the H makes no sound at all. Ahora. And if you like Fatboy Slim, aquí, ahora. That was the song. We also have el jefe, and if it's a female boss, la jefa. Bien. I was deciding which verb should we study today, and I was thinking maybe we should do escribir, which is a regular IR verb, escribir, and it means to write. But I thought, no, let's go with leer. Leer means to read. So we read and we write. Maybe you could do escribir on your own. But leer is a little bit counterintuitive because you've got that double E. In español, we're going to say both of them. Leer. Yo leo. Tú lees. Él, ella, usted lee. Nosotros leemos. Vosotros leéis. And ellos leen, or ellas, ustedes leen. Learn the verb, get comfortable with the verb, say what you read in the comments. Yo leo todos los comentarios. I like to take las preguntas from Duolingo and answer them con un poco de creatividad para desarrollar, to develop, mi español y el español de mis estudiantes. So the questions that I've got for you today from Duolingo Section 2, Unit 8 are querer plus infinitive questions. If you have the verb querer, yo quiero, tú quieres, él quiere, Nosotros queremos, vosotros queréis y ellos quieren. You could just put a noun after that. Quiero un café. Or you can put a verb after that. Quiero leer mis mensajes. Quiero responder a mis mensajes. Quiero escribir mensajes a mis amigos y a mis estudiantes. Putting the second verb in the infinitive form. The first question, la primera pregunta de hoy, es ¿quieres tener tu propio negocio? Propio is the only word you don't know there. It means your own. ¿Quieres tener tu propio negocio? Yo sí, yo tengo mi propio negocio. Yo escribo libros como My Duolingo Diary y yo vendo clases de español. ¿Tú quieres tener tu propio negocio? Next question is, ¿quiere trabajar aquí? Now you notice I've taken off the S because now I'm talking formally. ¿Quiere trabajar aquí? Means, do you want to work here? Yo quiero trabajar aquí. Finally, I think it's good to keep a diary or a journal en español. And today I've picked a question at random. ¿Qué quieres hacer el año que viene? Now, we add that word viene, it means to come. So, el año que viene is the coming year. ¿Qué quieres hacer el año que viene? I want to talk about things that are within your control. So, quiero preparar más videos, quiero estudiar lenguaje, quiero escribir mis libros, those kind of things. And you might also say, quiero decorar esta habitación, quiero mejorar, and that means to improve, I want to improve, quiero mejorar el baño, quiero mejorar la cocina. Those are my answers to la pregunta. What are yours? Writing a journal en español will help you, and it provides reading that is personal to you and you can enjoy it because you can understand it. Next time we'll be studying lesson 2.9 of Duolingo and supporting you to hablar español with what you've learned. Hasta la próxima, amigos. Adiós.